Hey, Karin, why your car look so chewy?
Bo pian leh, everything increase, GST increase. My pay never increase, you know. How?
Actually, if you want to make your car look brand new, you want to buy new car one.
But my car very dull and white, very difficult to maintain How? You got any recommendation for me or not?
Yeah, this one easy lah. I teach you. Come.
With me
get. Actually, I do my own DIY detailing 又简单又容易又便宜。
真的咩？我怕累赘，很浪费时间
No lah, actually for the first time maybe a bit more time, but subsequently if you use the correct product, very easy one.
Can you teach me
Can, yeah. Actually, the exterior grooming split into 3 categories lah. First thing is the paintwork, the wheels and the glass. So we start with the paintwork first.
Okay, not too cheap for me, I cannot absorb it.
See. So now to revive the paintwork can be done in 6 easy steps. First, we'll use the Labo Cosmetica Sidereal, which is the iron remover gel, to remove the contaminant of iron and also lime scale. After the Sidereal, we will be applying the Miniac line foam gun pre-wash to remove physical debris on the vehicle to prevent any scratches. Then after, we will be applying the Miniac line black and red shampoo to remove mineral that is being deposited from the weather and on the road. After the car is being dried, we will be applying the Vonixx Synergy paint coating to the car base paint. After Synergy paint, we will be applying Vonixx blend to enhance the shine of the car. Once done, we'll seal it up with the sealant of Vonixx Spell to complete the detailing of this car. And thereafter this quick 6 steps, your paintwork is as good as a brand new car.
Then this plastic piece how very dull
Jeng. Just use these two. For your plastic trim, we can use the MaFra Miniac line, all-purpose cleaner to remove any dirty thing on your plastic trim. After that, we use the Vonixx Restorex to coat the plastic trim so that it looks as good as new, black one. Okay, now we clean your wheels. First, we use the Sidereal, same to remove the iron and also the lime scale contaminant on the wheel. After that, we will apply the Miniac line wheel and tire cleaner to clean your tire. And at the same time, we will be cleaning the rim. Once all this is done, then we will apply the Synergy wheel protection just to protect your wheel to look as good as new. And lastly, we will be applying the Miniac Extreme Black Tire Shine. Put ready your tire shine. Okay, after this 4 steps, your wheel very clean already. I tell you. You compare just now and now, and I definitely it add the look to the car. Now the final step to clean your glass. First, we will use the Labo Cosmetica Vitro to remove any rain stain or water stain that is already deposited on your windscreen and your glasses. Once this done, we will use the Aquavelox glass coat to give you the beading when you are driving for a safer trip next time everywhere you go. After these 2 steps, you drive expressway, the water fly away like Star Wars.
More tiring but it's very satisfying to see my car shine so white.
Like I tell you just now, the first step is the difficult one. Subsequently, you just need to maintain it weekly, then it will look as good as new. Just remember 6, 4, 2, and your car will look like new.
Wow, okay. I remember the Tang Tao Li. Can buy 40 I'm very hungry now after all the hard work. Anyway, thank you very much.
No
thank
problem,
you for
sister.
me.
No problem.
I should eat lunch.
Yeah?
Okay.
Let's go.
Wow.